seen our video about the effect of your credit balance on your credit score, you know that the proportion of your balances to your credit limits on your revolving accounts has a big impact on your credit score. What you may not realize is that when you make your payment can have a big impact on the balance that is reported to the credit agencies. I'm Jonathan Getty with Catalyst Lending, and today I'm discussing more simple tips for better credit. In my video about credit balances, I demonstrate why having a balance at or below 25% of your credit limit will have a positive impact on your credit. But if you're like most, your balance starts off small or at zero and increases throughout the month until you get your bill. Then you pay your bill and you start the cycle all over again. Here's the big question. If your balance is different every day, what balance is being reported to the credit agencies? Each creditor has the ability to handle this differently, but the most common practice is to report the end of period balance, which is the balance that appears on the statement that you receive. Unfortunately, that is usually the highest balance that you have during the month. Therefore, if you have a $1,000 limit and you spend $950 on that account, get your bill, then pay the entire $950 off every month, your creditor may be reporting a balance of $950. This will negatively impact your credit score. Call your creditor and find out when they report to the credit agencies. If it is at the end of every billing cycle, simply make your payment before the end of the cycle. If your creditor reports at the end of each month or on a specific day each month, make your payment prior to that date, allowing for sufficient time for the payment to post to your account before your balance is reported. By following this simple tip, you can ensure that your reporting balance will be at the lowest point, thus optimizing your credit score. Obviously, paying all your bills on time is always good for your credit. Now you know making payments at a certain time of the month can be even more beneficial. As always, you can find more simple tips for better credit on our website at catalystlending.com/credit, where you can also get a credit report, apply for a home loan, or speak to a Catalyst expert about your credit.